Hey there. All right. So let's go ahead and build our first application using OmniMint. I'm going to take the shortest route possible, and I'll circle back and show you all the other things and details. Before I get started, I do want to show you this, that when you start building out your applications, your software applications that you can host on web, on Android, Apple, desktop, Chrome, you do get access to over 4,600 modules that will allow you to do a lot of different things. So the easiest way to start is to click on the Done For You Business button, and then you've got a few options over here. We've got some Done For You businesses already ready, and all you have to do is pick one of them and get started. So say you wanted to do something around AI blogging, you pick that, you click on Continue, and you choose what kind of UI you want. So I'll go for something plain like this because it works. Then Continue, and then choose some colors as well. So I'll go for this one and create app. You can name the app whatever you want, and you can change it later too, but you create the app. It takes a few seconds to get your app up and running. Okay, so our app is now ready, and I want to show you this in real time, what this looks like to an end user as well. So let me log in as a demo user. So there you go. As you can see, all these modules are already in place. This is ready to use right now. The logo is missing, but we'll go back and fix that in just a second. Let's click on the Edit App Settings buttons from where we can continue to edit this app. One of the first things we need to do is set up our FAL API key. This is similar to OpenAI, but this allows us to do all kinds of things within this platform, such as text to voice, voice to text, image creation, video creation, and many other things as well. So let me put my key in and I'll bring you back. Okay, so the key is in and it is validated. Let's go back and refresh our blogging app. So it is there. I want to now go in and put in the logo and icons and all those things as well. Now, the cool thing is once your file key is integrated, you can click on Generate Promo Banner and it's going to create the icon for you. It's also going to create the logo for you. Let me show you what those look like. I'm quite happy with this one, so I'm going to use this as master icon and close this. Then I'm also going to generate a logo for my need. Okay, this logo is good enough, so I'm going to use this as well. We are done. You can also see that the favicon has been automatically applied as well. Now, the cool thing is if you wanted to come up with names, it will also suggest names for you. So let's do that right now. So there's IdeaSpark, Content Flow, Pros Pilot, Trendcraft, and all those. I like IdeaSpark, so let's go ahead and use that. Then the other thing that it is good to do, and I'll show you why this is important in a minute, is change the name of your app here. So just change this over to IdeaSpark, and this is pretty much good to go. Then I can come to legal and support and automatically generate privacy draft and terms and conditions as well. I can change the themes if I want. And the cool thing is, remember the modules that we had earlier? We can add more modules to this as well. So if I go into browse modules and type in blogging, I can add a blogging calendar. Let's search for something more. I can add B2B blog post intro. I can add blog article SEO, blog conclusion summary, blog call to action section. So all these can be instantly added over to the platform. We'll choose IdeaSpark in this case, add to app, and that's it. The modules are now added. Then the next thing you need to do is go to my apps and make sure that this is ready to sell. So one of the first things you can do is make sure you decide how you want to price it. You can price it monthly, one time. You can even give it away for free and charge people credits to use it inside the platform. For the sake of demonstration, I'm going to go with these prices that are already there. Then I'm going to set up the payment gateway. So in this case, you need to link with your Stripe. We also have PayPal that is available, so you can use both of those options. Next up is setting up the sales page, and honestly, that's the most fun part, and you will see why. So let's go ahead and create our sales page inside this platform. So creating sales page typically takes very long. You have to write the whole thing, you have to design the whole thing, but using Sales Page Wizard inside of OmniMint, you can do that with literally a few clicks. These are all the modules, and don't worry, you can change this description later. I'm going to go ahead and say looks good, click on next. Then I'm going to choose a tone. So I want it to be authoritative and expert tone, and I want to target, let's say, in this case, agency teams, and I want the outcome for them to be get faster results with less effort. And if I have a YouTube demo video, I can add that here as well. But let's go ahead and click on generate copy. Now this one takes a few minutes, but it's going to work behind the scenes, and as you will see, it will create the entire copy for us. And not just that, it's also going to design it for us. So I'll wait for this to finish. Okay, so headline: stop drowning in content creation, idea generation. unlock agency level productivity and get faster results with less effort, introducing Idea Spark, and you can see all these different things over here. I'm just going to make sure it doesn't have those things that it did before. All of this is fine, and you can change all this later if you want to as well. This everything is done, including FAQs, including Q&A. So let's go ahead and say render page. This is where the design work happens. And again, you'll be surprised by how good this is. And here we go. You can see the page is now ready. We can check out different versions as well, just to see what it looks like on all different devices. But let me go further up here. You can see with the desktop version, it is ready to go. Now, again, you're not going to get this kind of capability anywhere else, because we literally created the software within minutes and then turned around and created the sales page as well. And as you can see, this has everything about the product. So this is mentions of all the modules in there. This is mentions of everything that this can do, everything basically built in right within the sales page. Let's go ahead and publish my page, and I'll show you then how easy it is to edit this as well. So this is a drag and drop sales page builder. You can change everything as you want. So if you wanted to change some text here, you could change this to the amazing PWA extension. All of that is literally done within seconds. So this is good. And the cool part is this, that your buy buttons with your Stripe integration are already embedded within here. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to go ahead and create those buy buttons anywhere else. You don't need to worry about delivering access to people manually when they sign up, or taking the access back when they refund. It's all built in here for you. So let's go and save the page. And we're going to exit, and you can click on the live link and see what the sales page looks like as well. So let's check this out. So this is now your sales page. Again, you can see how well this looks. You can change the demo video here, which is quite easy. You log in, you record a demo, and you are good to go. And let's look through all of this. Look, all of this is ready. And as I mentioned, it is very easy for you to just click on these buy buttons and sign in to them. From start to finish, it literally took me a few minutes to create a brand new business. And again, as I showed you, you can change it by adding more modules, just as we did before. This is exactly what I did in the test business that I made. And I literally reached out to agencies via cold email marketing, and I was able to generate $1,117 in sales. And it took me less than 30 minutes to set all of that up. Now, I want to show you a few other things that you can do with OmniMint, just to put some cherry on top. If you are a little bit more technical, or if you're serving a specific market, you can create your own modules as well. So just like we have 4,600 modules, you could literally just put in prompts. You don't even have to be very technical. You can literally put in prompts, and you can create your own modules as well. So we have a lot of modules, for example, that cater to real estate agents. But if you wanted to create real estate calculators, you could do that here as well. If you wanted to create specific visuals, you could do all of that here as well. And when your apps are ready, you can go ahead and edit them as you want. You can put the app screenshots, and you can download them and publish them into Android, into Apple. You can download them as Chrome extensions as well as then you can give it to people to use it on desktop. And of course, you can go ahead and publish these apps on your own domain as well, making it completely white label with no mention of OmniMint anywhere. So all in all, I feel OmniMint is the easiest and perhaps the fastest way to build a business in 2026 and actually make real money by offering real solutions to other people.